the best of both worlds with the combination hand and stand mixing options you get with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. The mixer is easily removed from the base, giving you a hand mixer for easy tasks or a stand mixer for bigger jobs. Traditional beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks are all included. 290 watts of peak power and 6 speeds, including the QuickBurst button, make mixing easy. The Shift and Stir bowl feature lets you shift the included 4-quart stainless steel bowl from side to side as it turns for more thorough mixing. So mix things up with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Now that's...